Welcome to TLG Learning, where we turn Excel users into power users. Microsoft Excel is one of the most commonly used applications in business. Our Excel Level 1 class helps you become familiar with the interface, including tips and tricks for navigation, then takes you into creating formulas, functions, and various methods for manipulating the data. You will learn to build and format charts for a better presentation of your data to others. That way, the most important data is highlighted and content consumers will see it first. You will also learn how to print your own worksheets and workbooks efficiently so that your printouts include all and only what you want. When you finish this course, you will be ready to build your own workbooks in a way that is both efficient and transferable. Visit our website, tlglearning.com, and browse our schedule and register for an upcoming class, or contact us at 425-460-2200 with any questions or to discuss scheduling a private class for your own group.